Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Tech. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment on a video. Thank you. Connect with my YouTube channel and watch more informative videos about a mobile tech. I upload a video on daily or weekly basis in my YouTube channel. My all video is about a mobile tech and mobile information. I upload a video on daily or weekly basis in my YouTube channel. If you have any question or any problem about a mobile phone, so please comment on my YouTube channel. I will get solution of the problem. Thank you for watching my video and thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Let's start a video. In today's video, I am going to discuss about how we use gaming mode in a mobile phone and for which purpose we use it and how they work in a mobile phone. All these things I explain in my today video. So for this, first of all, I am going to open my mobile phone setting and now scrolling down the mobile phone display. Now the option below digital well-being and parental control. So this is the gaming mode. Now improve game experience. When I click on it, so the mobile phone more data is used in mobile phone network, more data is used in a gaming mode and more internet are used in mobile game data, view game duration, data used, and it is also show how many internet are used during using a game on a mobile phone. Game anti addiction, health reminder, and parental control is also used in it. Picture achievement, how many time we use a game on a mobile phone and which quality of picture. Advanced setting, turn off the automatic brightness adjustment function. The button prevent accidental touch. Game management, set up the app to open the game mode. So all these things in a mobile mode is in a mobile phone setting is about a gaming mode. When we click on it, so it become active and gaming mode are used in a mobile phone. It is most important option and most useful icon in a mobile phone during using a game, because Android mobile in nowadays are usable more people in for a mobile for a gaming. So therefore gaming mode are installed in it. So now I again deactivate a gaming mode in my mobile phone because now I does not play a game on my mobile phone. So friend, this is my today video. Like and comment on a video. Thank you for watching my video and thanks for visiting my YouTube channel.